Today's video tip is about car accidents. 3 things you need to know. Who should you sue? When should you sue? Why should you sue? Hi, come on in. I'm Gerald, Oginski, a New York personal injury trial attorney. Today we're going to cover car accidents. When should you sue? In New York, you have only 3 years from the date of the accident within which to bring a lawsuit. That's the time limit as of today, January 29, 2011. If you're watching this days, weeks, months, or years later, you cannot rely on that piece of information to tell you whether or not your case is timely. Why not? Because the law may have changed. So to know whether or not your particular case is timely, you must pick up the phone and call me to ask whether or not the law has changed. Number 2, who do you sue? Well, clearly you're going to sue the driver of the car who caused your accident, and we also have to sue the owner of the car. We have to determine whether the owner gave the driver permission, especially if they're 2 different people. Now, when you're involved in a car accident in New York, you have only 30 days within which to file a no-fault claim with your own insurance company. This way, it will allow no fault to pay for all of your medical expenses. Why should you sue? Well, that's a philosophical question that I'm going to touch on briefly, but basically, as an attorney, my job is to obtain compensation for you because of somebody else's carelessness. I can't prevent the accident from happening. It's already happened. I can't put you back together. The doctors are trying to do that and trying to get you better. My goal as an attorney is to get you compensation. And in fact, that's what our system of justice allows, because nobody can put you back together again. The law says, hey, if you've been injured by somebody else, you have a right to obtain compensation for the harm that they caused to you. And there are different components of that compensation. There's pain and suffering for the past and future. There is lost economic damages, which means financial loss to you and your family because you've been unable to work as a result of your injuries. And there are other components as well. So why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because you need to know this information if you've been involved in a car accident in New York. And by the way, if you found this information helpful and you're watching this on Facebook or YouTube, I want you to click the button below that says like. Why should you do that? Because this way all of your friends are going to get the benefit of this information as well as you. Now, if you have legal questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. Why? Because I answer these legal questions every single day. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerald Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.